So I want to show you how you can use your code on GoHighLevel in a professional way. I have a full width. So this is a GoHighLevel design that I make, this landing page. So as you can see, this is a preview and this is a code. So now what I will do is to copy this code. This is a design and this is a code. So now let's copy this code and go to GoHighLevel. So let me go to the GoHighLevel site, create a new funnel. Let me use one page here. New funnel. Training. Create. So you will add a step. Home or landing page. Create a funnel step. Now create from the blank. Now you will select one column. Under this column, you add HTML. You can search it here or this code. Just click on it. Then click on your code, open code. Then paste your code here. Then save. Now if I save now and I preview my page, let's see how it look. Can you see? So it's full both left and right. It's full here, it's full here. Can you see the page now? This is how it look. Now you can just come here again. You know, on this top here, there's a little space here. Just come to your code editor, GoHighLevel, change it to this one, row, take entire full width. Then you can, on this one, you can just take entire full width here. And this top style, make sure it's 0. Padding margin, make sure everything is 0 on this section. Now inside this column, click on the column as well. Top margin 0, bottom 0, left 0, right 0. Now on this first column as well, change it to 0. Everything, make sure you change everything to 0 so that it will not give you any space. Make sure everything is what? On 0. Padding margins, top, bottom, left, corner, everything is 0. Now when everything is on 0, now just save and preview. Let's save and preview again to see how it will look. Let's preview. You see now this top space is not there again. So the top space is gone. The left is full, the right is full. Now let's check out to look on mobile. So you see the mobile also is full left and right. The mobile is full left and right. So this is how you can achieve full width on GoHighLevel when you use your custom code. Maybe you design on Claude Code or ChatGPT, anywhere. So this is how you will achieve it. So you can also go here and change on the mobile. Change this padding left and right to 0 as well on mobile. 0, 0. So that's it. So try it and let me know if it works for you. Thank you very much.